In this question, to find dy by dx of the given function 4x square plus 3 upon x. So here we use quotient rule. So the quotient rule states that to find any derivative we have to follow this rule. So the concept is we have to follow this rule, dy by dx of any function which is in the form of this, in a derivative form, or this is in a 4x plus 3 is in division form. So here we use v of x in multiplication with first derivative of u of x minus u of x multiplication with v dash, or first derivative with v upon of x whole division with v of x square. Now here v denotes the denominator side and v is denominator and u is numerator. So this is the concept here we are going to use to solve the particular equation. So solving it, here given u of x is equals to 4x square plus 3 and vx is equals to x. Now moving further, the calculation is u dash x. So simply we have to find u dash x first. So we are going to derivate u of x. So dy by dx of 4x square plus 3, this is equals to 8x, and v dash x will be dy by dx of x, which is equals to 1. Now moving further, dy by dx is equals to x multiplication with 8x minus 4x square plus 3 in multiplication with v, which is 1, whole division with x square. Now simplifying it, here we will get dy by dx, which is equals to 4x square minus 3 whole division with x square. So the final answer will be 4x square minus 3 upon x square. This is our final answer.